Hey guys, so today is spoopy day number 2, and I'm gonna go ahead. I did a look on this. Sorry about that. I did a tutorial on this look just now, so yeah. But I want to do the sugar skull, which is what I am doing today. So I'm going to grab the Clean Color Mellow Gel Shimmer Waterproof 12-hour liquid eye pencil. Well, liquid like eye pencil, that's what it says. And it is in the shade Lightning Gleam. I really honestly wanted to do my white liner, but it finished and it kind of just wore, like it dried out. The sugar skull. So obviously the best part about the sugar skull is the eyes. So we're gonna go ahead, now that we have our eyes nice and cute, we're gonna go ahead and I'm going to do the little, let's do the circle around first. So I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna do the circle. I'm gonna go over my brow just so that it kind of goes nicely. So there's one eye. Okay, now we're gonna do the other one. So we're gonna go ahead right where they don't have to be the same. Okay, so there are the eyes. Gling gling. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the little designs. So I'm gonna bring it up a little closer and we're gonna do these designs like this. This is what I'm doing. You guys can do something different. Like a little sunflower. Okay, so there's a little flower petal like designs. I think the fact that it is a metallic pencil kind of bothers a little bit, but just because you can't see it much. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so there is our little designs. Super cute, I love it. So now on my cheek, I'm going to do like a kind of like a teardrop effect right into my cheek. I'm just gonna grab it here and I'm gonna go like this. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to grab it and got it on both sides. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab up here. I'm going to do a little heart. Right there on my forehead. And then down here on my chin, I want to do these lines like this. Okay, so that's gonna be my sugar skull look, but we gotta fill it in. So I'm going to grab, this is my Wetnwild Mega Liner liquid liner in the shade Violet Revolution. So I'm gonna take this pink one and I'm going to do this side of my face. Well, not really. I'm just gonna do this eye with this. So we're gonna grab it and we are going to fill in the little petals we did here, and I'm going to fill them in. You can either fill them in like this, or you can skip one and do one pink, one blue, one pink, one blue, which I think I'm gonna do. So that's what I'm gonna do. You guys can always do it differently. So okay, so something I forgot to do, but whatever. So I finished the pink on my eyes. So something I forgot to do with this is the nose. So we have to go ahead. Now that's done. So I'm going to grab, this is my Wet n Wild Mega Glow liquid eyeliner, but this is in the shade A Case of Blue, and I'm going to fill in the rest of the petals that are not filled in yet. Okay, so now that all the blue is in, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this one right here blue. So I'm gonna go right back in there and just fill this one in blue. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the pink eyeliner again, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this one here. And now we're gonna fill this one in with the pink liner. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paint the heart on my forehead. I'm gonna paint it pink so that the thing on my chin can have outlines of blue. So now the lines on my chin are gonna have blue outlines. Like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and do dots around these little teardrops. I'm just gonna go like this. And now I'm gonna grab the pink and do the same thing on both sides. Okay, so now that I have all the little dots done, now I'm just gonna fill in the nose. I found a sharpener, so now let's just fill in the nose with the liner that we used in the first place. And now we're just gonna fill it in. And there we are. So here is my little sugar skull for today. I absolutely love this look, actually. Last year I did this exact same look for one of the, I did this for Halloween Day last year, and I actually really loved it last year as well, but it was more prominent because I had white liner as all of the detail instead, but I actually really enjoy it. And I hope you guys like this. You guys can spruce it up. You guys can put different designs. You guys can do as you please. Add more, put less if you feel like it. But I honestly am loving this look. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close up. So here we are. Here's your close up. I'm living for this. You guys can do a different eye look. You guys can do as you please. Like I said, this is just my interpretation of it. It's super cute. I love it. Just an easy face paint. I personally only do face paints for Halloween just because I have kids. So, you know, I'm too old to be dressing up. So I like to paint my face. And it's super cute. I enjoy this a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this look. I enjoyed it so much. And yeah, I will thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Spooky Sylvia, and I am an aspiring MUA. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the description box down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!